How are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel, the best social media for e-commerce. The three greatest social media for e-commerce are Facebook, Instagrams, and Pinterest. Tapings the potentials of these events to be tremendous help regardless of the types of goods or service you provide your targets marketing on your marketing plan. Facebook's one step Facebook's due to the way people use Facebook ads and shops. Facebook's potential for online e-commerce is still unneedable. Step 2 Instagram. The social media platforms for e-commerce is all about visual content. Each post and profiles is built around images and videos. Pinterest, similar to Instagram, you can use a verticals or squares image format to display your products as well as the context. Additionally, you can publish briefs, videos, and product collectives. Best social media platforms for e-commerce. You can utilize social media's marketing as a pathway to increase brands recognizing consumers engagements and revenue. Con- Concentrates your marketing efforts on these top notch platforms to get the most returns on investments from your social media accounts. Facebook's the most widely utilized social networking sites worldwide is Facebook due to Facebook's immense e-commerce firms can execute effective postponed advertising uh, campaigns there. Facebook is an excellent platform to look for if you are wanting to increase brands recognizing for your e-commerce stores. Step to Instagram is a site that emphasizes visual content making it a wise channel to imply if you sell things that you can highlight with photo and videos. It has become a critical marketing tool for many e-commerce firms because features like Instagram shopping, which is accessible in a variety of international countries, enables you to build and emphasize storefronts that let users explore products with single step. Pinterest are underutilized e-commerce making channels, marketing channels famous for its wide selections of specials and highly graphics postings. The site serves as a haven for product discoveries and very successful full final marketing channel. It has a features like rich pins which you can use to direct potential clients to everything from DIY ideas of skincare items. First step YouTube is the most widely used video sites in the world with a estimated 2.1 billion months active user. Research estimates that 68% of consumers have made a purchase after viewing a brand on YouTube. Non-lethal prevents is essential prior to seeing results on YouTube. You must first grow your audience by working with influencers. You can increase your subscribers quite quickly. TikTok, this perfect social media platform for e-commerce, has gained widespread popularity in recent years. That its 1 billion active user in more than 150 countries make it a viable marketing platform for e-commerce firms. The introduced TikTok for business in 2000 to 2020, allowing companies owners to link their online stores and TikTok account utilizing hashtags, and working with influencers on TikTok will help you engage both professionals and current customers. Snapchat has a lot of professionals for e-commerce firms, especially those catering to Gen Z and millennial consumers. With its 363 million daily active users, Snapchat offers a variety of types, including stores ads, collections ads, dynamics ads, lens ads, and filter ads that you may use to target your customers. Given that the typical Snapchatter uses the platform for 30 minutes a day, you have plenty of channels to use your ads to increase engagement. 7-step tutors has an older base than TikTok, Snapchats, and Instagrams, with 63 of its users being between the uh, ages of 35 and 65. Therefore, Twitter is mediums you are likely to reach then on if you target consumers if is over 35, product, video, photo, and fabrics. And the best way of e-commerce firms to increase engagements on tutors. All these of many of boosted with influence partnerships and suggest place of hashtag.